braso.
Yes.
Oh my God. O, tapos,
Actually,
ako ready.
I'm trying to finish.
Wala po ata.
Pag nagtikim yan,
So, yan, the braso yan naman.
we need paper plate for hermetic.
A burger is 800. And the fresh bake.
Okay.
But aside from that, the tallest name that we got is the Eiffel. It's actually for a wedding cake show. So,
Ano yan?
so like, if you look at this photo, pwede i-cut na part the bottom. Kasi the rest of the structure is rice krispies. Pwede pa rin siya kainin, but hindi siya masaslice talaga.
So, how much?
Well, a wedding cake really depends on the size. So, yes, so sculptured
Ang
cake.
ganda!
So, yung pinaka-paborito,
Oh, ay, puro makeup. Ito yung ano, yung gumagawa na. Ako na tita ni Liz, kuy, kumuha ka for her.
no, but we did one for Sarah Heron for sunset.
Wow! Kaya mo kahit ano, sabihin ng
So far, medyo yun yung pinupush talaga namin.
Ay!
So this was a long distance relationship
Oh,
kasi yung
ganda!
couple. So, kinostomize namin London and Philippines.
Ay, ang saya. May Skype. Super. Okay,
May
ka
picture
naman dito.
walang video.